On today's episode of Emotional Wellness Minute, we're going to talk about boosting mood with activity. This is really meant for folks who notice that when their mood goes down, maybe they're feeling sad, low, depressed, that they start to do less. They start to withdraw from others, maybe avoid more. Well, we all do that from time to time, but some people do it far more frequently, where they withdraw quite a bit. And they may have the assumption that they have to feel up for something or feel in the mood to do something before they do it. We all do things that we don't feel like doing from time to time, and it's hard to do, but I think there's some hope in that we can get ourselves to do things that bring us joy, even when we don't yet feel happy. Here are 6 steps for how to get yourself to do things that bring you joy, even when you don't feel like it. It's about having a list of things or activities that you know used to work for you or things that you're willing to try out. Find the ones from easiest to hardest. The hard ones you can break into smaller activities. For example, if calling up your friends when you're feeling really down is hard to do, what about just sending them a text? Start small. Whatever it is that you want to get back into doing, schedule them in your week. Put it on your calendar, put it on your app. You can set reminders. You can even nudge somebody to help get you to do the thing. It may be hard to go to the gym, for example, but maybe you have a workout partner who can nudge you and say, hey, come out, work out with me. And remember to start small. Only grab a small number of activities per week to start getting into your week. And once you can do them consistently, then you can build from there. Folks may need to try out different strategies to see what works for them. And if all else fails, do speak with a licensed mental health professional. They may be able to help guide you through this journey. For more emotional wellness tips, please like and subscribe.